Hey everybody, it's Friday and today I'm going to be going outside by a busy street and I'll be holding this sign, and for every honk we get, I'm going to donate $1 to feed my starving children.
Go!
We already got 3 honks and I just started. We're going to make some hungry people happy. Comes a school bus.
Oh, it's turning. It's turning.
Oh. It didn't honk. I'm disappointed in the school district. Yeah, there you are. That's 13. Come on, FedEx. I believe in you.
Come on.
UPS is officially better than FedEx. 15. That's 17. I'm gonna get this guy.
It's turning.
Oh, he's turning. 231? Come on, 231. Give me a hug.
Is it Steve? I think it is Steve.
Steve didn't give me a honk. My old bus driver betrayed me. Yeah, 25. That's 36.
36.
Here I am at the website, and I just entered the amount and all my information here, and I'm gonna donate it and post a receipt so you guys can see that. I just want to take a few seconds to talk about the work that Feed My Starving Children does. They provide millions of meals to hungry children around the world, and with my donation of just $36, they will be able to provide 144 meals to children in need. This holiday season, I encourage you to do something nice for someone else. It doesn't need to be big, it could be as simple as smiling at somebody. Have a great holiday season, and as always, like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.